So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to mute the keyboard on your iPhone 14 or 14 Pro. So if you have a keyboard like this that makes sounds as you type like this, then what you need to do is go to settings. On the main settings page, go to sounds and haptics, tap on that, and then go to keyboard feedback, tap on that, and then you should see sound as one of the feedback types of your keyboard. So what you need to do is turn that off, okay? And then once you disable that, from now on, anytime you're using the keyboard, it should be completely mute. And that's basically how to mute or how to turn off the keyboard sound on your iPhone 14 or 14 Pro. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.